Hello guys, so I've been using both Harbor Compliance and Northwest for a while now, and honestly, comparing them feels like weighing apples against slightly different apples. They both solve the same core problem, helping you legally set up and maintain your business, but they approach it with slightly different philosophies, which really matters depending on how hands-on you want to be as a business owner. Starting with pricing, Harbor Compliance is definitely cheaper if you're just looking for a registered agent. It's $99 per year, whereas Northwest charges $125 per year. That said, Northwest gives you a free first year if you use their $39 formation package, which was nice for getting started. For a new Shopify store owner on a tight budget, that free year can make the barrier to entry feel a lot lower. In my experience, both work across all 50 states, so coverage isn't really an issue. When it comes to forming business entities, both Harbor Compliance and Northwest handle LLCs, C Corp, S Corp, nonprofits, LPs, and LLPs. That covers almost every structure a Shopify seller might need. But Northwest goes a bit further with things like forming sole proprietorships and offering services like business websites, logos, domains, virtual addresses, mail forwarding, and even trademarks or patents. That business-in-a-box style approach can be really helpful if you want everything centralized instead of juggling multiple providers. Harbor Compliance doesn't offer all that extra stuff, but if you just need the basics, it gets the job done efficiently. I liked that Harbor Compliance was quick to set up, usually between 1 to 7 days, while Northwest took around 3 to 5 days. So the difference isn't huge, but Harbor felt a little more flexible if you wanted to start fast and just get your store live without overthinking the extras. Customer service was a big differentiator for me. Northwest's team was very personable and thorough, explaining everything from business licenses to filing annual reports, and even helping with corporate bylaws and NDAs. That kind of guidance is gold if this is your first business and you're unsure what's legally required. Harbor Compliance felt more industry-focused and professional in its approach, but sometimes I missed the extra hand-holding that Northwest offered, especially when navigating unfamiliar paperwork. On the technical side, both cover things like EIN services, filing amendments, DBA registrations, foreign qualifications, and reinstatement orders, so you're covered for the legal necessities either way. I also noticed Northwest keeps things super transparent with locally scanned documents and mail forwarding, which made me feel like I had better control over my info and visibility into what's happening. Harbor Compliance felt more streamlined, but lacked some of those extras, like a virtual address or a mobile app, which could be useful if you're managing everything on the go. For me personally, the choice came down to how much support and additional business tools I wanted versus a simpler, slightly cheaper service. If I were just getting started and wanted minimal fuss, Harbor Compliance is great. It's straightforward and efficient. But if I wanted a more hands-on experience with extras like logos, domains, and mail handling, Northwest was worth the extra cost because it reduces the number of separate services you have to manage. Overall, both services are solid, but I ended up appreciating Northwest's thoroughness and added services, even though Harbor Compliance saved me a bit of money and time at the start. It's really about whether you want a full-service approach that grows with you, or just the basics done efficiently so you can focus entirely on building your store.